What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set a charge limit on any iPhone to help maintain battery health. Before we begin, it's important to note that the ability to set a charge limit is only available on iPhone 15 and newer models. You can find this feature in the battery section of the Settings app, where you can set your iPhone to stop charging at a specific percentage. However, if you're using an older iPhone model, this feature isn't built in. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that can help. The only catch is that this method won't automatically stop charging. Instead, it will notify you when your battery reaches a specific percentage, and you will have to manually unplug your device. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Automation. Next, select Create Personal Automation or tap the plus icon at the top right and scroll down until you see Battery Level. Tap on it. Now, adjust the battery percentage and set it to 80% or any limit you prefer. Before finalizing the automation, make sure Run Immediately is selected. Once done, tap Next. On the next screen, tap on Create Blank Automation and then select Add Action. Use the search bar to find Speak Text and select it. This action will notify you when your iPhone reaches the charge limit. After selecting Speak Text, you can customize the notification by typing something like "Battery has reached 80%, please unplug the charger." Once you've entered the text, tap Next. Finally, tap Done to save your settings. Now, whenever your iPhone battery reaches 80%, you'll receive a voice notification reminding you to unplug your charger. To further maintain battery health, avoid charging over 80% frequently, and try to plug in your iPhone when it drops to around 30%. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.